Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys. So today we're going to be taking a look at the promotional, at Harbor Freight's promotion they got going on for this weekend. They got free. They're going to be giving out a free gift, no purchase required for this weekend. That's from April 4th through April 6th. So no purchase required on, and you get one free tool. The tools to choose from are going to be here: this 36-inch pickup and reach tool, a 12-inch by 12-inch microfiber cleaning cloths, 4-pack, or a pack of latex dipped work gloves, medium, large, or extra large gloves. That's up to a $3.99 value while supplies last. And if you're Inside Track Club members, you get an extra bonus. You get a 10% off any single item. So, guys, like I said, it's actually a good idea, or it makes sense to join the Inside Track Club members, because you always get little extra bonuses, and you get some extra promotional items when stuff goes on sale, just like right here. So anyway, free gift, no purchase required, in-store only. You guys can see it right here. April 4th through the 6th, so just stopping by. That's for everybody. But if you're Inside Track Club members, you also get an additional 10% off any single item for this weekend. So that's pretty cool, guys. Free gift this weekend. So just stop in and say what's up and get your free gift. So anyway, let's go through these coupons. These are some additional coupons for this promotional weekend sale. It's not really a sale per se. It's just a promotion weekend to get you in the door. But they give you a few extra coupons here. So let's go through them. We got this titanium invert welder with the electrode holder on sale right now for $249.99. We got this Pittsburgh adjustable shop stool with the backrest on sale right now for $59.99, and it comes in 4 different colors. We got this power probe. It's a circuit tester. Original price is $188.28. It's on sale right now for $169.99. Going down, we got this Apache weatherproof protective rolling carrying-on case, extra large. Original price is $99.99. It's on sale right now for $69.99. Then we got this Bauer long throw random orbit polisher on sale for $59.99. Then we got this Pittsburgh carbon steel tap and die set, 40 piece with a lifetime warranty, on sale for $17.99. And then we got this Pittsburgh fully polished SAE and metric combination wrench set. It's a 22 piece on sale for $15.99, so not a bad deal there. Moving on, we got this Bauer 20-volt cordless 3/8-inch ratchet tool only, on sale for $49.99. That's interesting. That's new. Anybody out there has this cordless ratchet from Bauer? How do you guys like it? What do you guys think? It's pretty new. I didn't know that Bauer had a cordless ratchet. I knew Hercules had one, but I didn't know Bauer had one. That's interesting. And last but not least, we got the Warrior 6-inch, 9-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, 15 piece, on sale for $9.99. So there you have it, guys. There is your additional super coupons for this week's promotion. For this week's free gift promotion, guys. So you get a free gift just for stopping by. No purchase required. Again, you get a choice between a 36-inch pickup reach tool, a 4-pack of microfiber towels, or some latex dipped gloves. That is your choice for for your free gift this weekend, no purchase required. And then additionally, if you guys are an Inside Track Club member, you get an extra bonus of 10% off any single item. April 4th through April 6th, guys, just for stopping by. Just to go in, say hi, get you a free tool or a free item. I don't know. If it was me, I'd probably go with the microfiber cloths. I would find myself using that more than anything. I guess the second thing I would choose would probably be the 36-inch pickup tool. Why not be a little lazy, right? Save your back from bending over. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There is Harbor Freight's promotional weekend for this weekend, April 4th through the 6th. You get to pick one free tool, no purchase required, and if you're Inside Track Club member, you get an extra 10% off any single item. So there you have it, guys. Make sure you stop by, pick up your free tool. We will definitely be stopping by and getting us a free tool, or a free item, I should say. And if you guys do, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. Put it in the comment section below. What did you guys pick? The reach tool, the fiber towels, or the gloves? Let me know in that comment section below. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know that you guys appreciate these Harbor Freight sales videos. Also, let me know what you got in the comment section below. And with that being said, as always, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.